Hey everyone, I wanted to do a quick video here on Chat GPT and how a small business might use it to help them in their operations. So, of course, you can go to Chat GPT at the openai.com website. This example is just going to be on the basic version. There is a paid version, which is 20 bucks a month. So this is just the basic version of Chat GPT, and I have a couple use cases to show you. So in this context of this video, we're going to pretend you are an environmental engineer or an engineering firm. How about just an engineering firm in general? And what you can do is you log in. You will have to click Chat GPT, and then you'll sign up for a login or a new account. And so what you can do, there's three use cases we'll run through: blogs, emails, and just having a bit of fun. With the higher up version, the paid version, there is a bit more capabilities with that as well. Okay, so let's ask it to write a blog and write a blog from an engineering firm that explains the uses of a 3D laser in a project just in project work. How about that? And it will go ahead and write the blog for you. So I got this idea, but just hopping to a couple different engineering firms, and a couple of them actually had different 3D laser blogs. So that's where I got the idea for the 3D laser blog and trying this out. And you can see it does a pretty good job of going through it. What we have seen is that you do have to read through it. It does kind of provide the layout for you, and you can go through it and kind of add on it and change things from there to kind of perfect it before posting. You probably wouldn't want to just take this and post it right away. It wouldn't be very useful content, and there can be errors in it, especially if you do ask it to write something technical. It is not good at that. So this is the basic Chat GPT use for a blog. I will say that I've also sampled Jasper AI, and it uses the underlying tones of Chat GPT, but it is specific for blog writing. There is a price point for it, but it works extremely well for blog writing and writing content. Okay, so that's one use case there. We're going to try something different. You can get it to, you can add things here, change it up and get it to rework as if you maybe didn't like something that it created here. But we're going to also show you how it can be used for emails. So if you get a lot of emails where maybe you're responding to either a client or a contractor or even an employee, and you're being asked to do something that, especially if you know it is that content or the response to that would maybe be somewhere available on Google. What you can do is say respond to an email. And let's do the example of run from a contractor asking how to track their time in Harvest time tracking app. Say the company uses Harvest and they have a contractor that's asking how they track their time. So, dear contractor, so I'm going to stop it because I don't like that response. I want to add, we use this app internally to track time, and the contractor needs to know how to use it. Use it. The contractor's name is David. Save and submit. And we're going to have it rework it this time to David. So now it's going through and it's actually going to explain in detail how you would use the time tracking app. So we've actually found this really helpful for specific apps that we use in responding to clients. Something that we would have done anyway, probably going to the different app sites and getting the explanation and then either retyping or pasting it in the client in the response to the client email, or linking it to where the explanation is. This is just a quick tool to kind of gather that information. You obviously have to quickly do a review and make sure that it did grab the right app and explanation. But if especially if it's an app you're used to using and using a lot, then it shouldn't be an issue. Okay, so that's a response to an email. So that's another great use case. And the final one we have is just a bit of fun. Imagine you have a employee that is celebrating 10 years with the firm, with your engineering firm. You can write a poem to a hardworking staff member that is celebrating 10 years with the firm. Save and submit. And something kind of a little fun could be made, obviously, and the thought is still there, even though it's AI generated. So just a bit of fun is our third use case for that. So hopefully that helps. There's 3 use cases there for you: a blog, an email, and a bit of fun writing some fun emails. And thanks for listening in. Have a great day.